think you're the editor.
Oh.
Am I the editor?
You're the editor.
Oh, Landon's the editor.
Anyway.
That's why he's screaming, because he has to edit all this. Hello. Welcome to Mugu CG. Hope everyone's having a great week.
We got a super cool video for you guys today. 5 quick tips on how you can prepare to be a CG artist.
Roll the B footage!
Beautiful footage.
I don't know what it looked like. I hope it was exciting.
Our editor definitely took some good care of that footage. How can you prepare at home or at school or wherever you are to become a CG artist? We got some really cool pointers for you. Number 1 point.
Gathering reference. So, reference. What is reference?
I think reference is a really good foundation. You go out, you gather reference, and what it allows you to do is you're allowed to build your skills on top of that reference over time. What it all boils down to is you're looking for an edge that puts your work above the cream of the crop. You want to be the best you can be.
Actually go out there in those places, like say you're modeling a forest environment, when you're actually in the forest, when you're actually kind of experiencing how that is, how that feels, I just feel like that just grounds me better when I'm actually at the computer creating the work.
Yeah, it's the little details.
Yeah, it's the little details.
It's
little details that you can't notice in a Google image, for example.
Little details equals big picture.
Little details equals big picture.
What was the second point? Point number 2.
Being self-disciplined. What does that mean, Mike?
Being self-disciplined is like getting into the chair every day, sitting down.
Building that routine. It's just like exercising. You have to be able to commit a certain number of hours a day if you want to improve to the level of professionalism that you'll need.
There's a common term that you need 10,000 hours or so to become an expert or something. But just to like break down the math, that's like 8 hours a day for like 4 years. And so, I mean, if you want to become a CG professional or a CG artist whose work is reputable, you need to start to aim for those kinds of hours.
Oh God, there's a bug in my nose.
Don't snip it in farther.
That's what I do when it enters the lair of the beast. The beast bites back.
It's not getting out.
You won't learn everything in the classroom. You're gonna have to figure out how to do something that wasn't necessarily taught in the class. Number 3. 3. It's pretty good. I like that.
I like that. Yeah.
3. Number 3 is having the right attitude, and I'm not talking about wearing shades indoors.
Yeah. I mean, seriously, attitude is what's gonna get you noticed, get you working together, collaborative, right? Everything that we do takes a village, and so have the right attitude. Be prepared to share your work, critique and look at other people's work constructively, not deconstructively. I don't even know if that's a word, but it sounds smart.
You got to be able to separate yourself from your work, you know?
Yeah.
You got to be able to take a look at your work and not just take it as a personal affront when you get that critique, but you got to be able to take it from that constructive mindset. You're always trying to improve.
Just don't laugh too hard.
I ain't trying to laugh, I'm serious.
4th point, may the 4th be with you.
That was it?
Mike, I really thought
Am I supposed to keep going now? You need to start setting up and planning your work ahead of time. It's like jumping into a pool, right? You know, go in slowly. Don't just jump in.
Because you might slip.
You'll slip.
You might slip. You gotta see if there's water. You gotta see if there's reflections.
There's danger. What if it's too cold? Too hot? Shark infested? Okay, plan your work.
Have the plan. Write down things.
Personally, you like to use a sketchbook. Okay,
Yes.
so I sketch down little ideas.
Yeah,
you
I'm
know.
a fan of like bullet points or
Yeah.
like things I need to accomplish. Like say, I'm like, oh, I need to get this done this week. I need to get this done this week. It's really just like putting your thoughts onto paper, and then from there you can kind of hold yourself accountable. Step back from the diving board.
Exactly, because diving is so unsafe. Okay. I tripped in college. The lifeguard had to save me. It wasn't pretty.
Whoa.
Well, I tried to do like the thing where you go like dunk, 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 and I just like hit in the front of my feet. I just went down.
Mike didn't have a plan. 5.
Point
The
5.
last point.
The last point, do not burn yourself out. Find a work-life balance, have fun, work hard, but keep yourself motivated.
Yeah, I would say get out there, exercise. Professional athletes do it. I'm not saying we're professional athletes, but
I am.
we should Yeah, he definitely is. We climb. We climb. Yeah,
Yeah.
we get outdoors, do outdoor rock climbing. I like to weightlift. Even though it doesn't look like I weightlift, I do.
Enjoy what's out there. Get
Yes.
ice cream, talk with your friends, go to the beach. All of these things are experiences that you can bring back to what you do.
Yes.
So not only do you unwind, not only do you decompress, bring them back, use the experiences for later.
Yes, basically what we're saying is explore as much as you can, because I think that's a part of, life in general. Thanks everyone for watching our video. Hopefully it gave you some good tips starting out in CG. Click up here, I believe it's up here, for another video on how we gather reference.
We hope that you guys participate in our discussions. We have comments down below. Encourage other artists of facts that we may have missed, or ask questions that we can maybe clarify later. Maybe give us links to your work and we can critique it. But keep the discussion going. Share, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel, Mugu.
I'll be sure to share it with my friends.
There you go. Sharing is caring.
I only have one friend and he's right next to me.
That's all.
Aww.
All right.
Oh wait,
See you
Landon's
later.
our friend too.
Oh wait. Bouncing, 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 bouncing. Every day, every day, every day,
Every day, working, every day, work. Click, 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 click.
Click up there, click up there,
Type on the computer. New description, images, description, all the descriptions that you're good at your job, but you're really just acting like you're good.